Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Kamrul Nahar, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take the Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 5, and I am going to discuss about the resistance to British rule from chapter 2. And in your previous lesson you have learned about the Sepoy Mutiny, which occurred in 1857, and it was quite successful. After that, the resistance to British rule did not stop. The spread of education and the development of communication introduced new ideas and culture, which is known as Bengal Renaissance. And people started become more conscious about their nationality and customs. The nationalist feeling and the patriotism spread and increased day by day. And in 1885, the Indian National Congress Party was formed, and day by day the nationalist feeling increased and the British government became worried. And then the British government divided the Bengal province in 1905, but people did not take it easily. They revolted against it, and the Swaraj movement, which is also called Swadeshi movement, started. And the strategies of this movement was to boycott British products and to encourage the people to use domestic products. And then in 1906, the All Indian Muslim League Party was formed, and day by day the resistance to British rule was increased. And in 1911, the resistance was so intense that the division of Bengal province was abolished. After that, the resistance went on, and in 1920, the Ashohak or non-cooperation movement was led by Mahatma Gandhi. And in this movement, people were asked to resign from the government jobs, and they were also asked to withdraw their children from the government aided schools and colleges. And the resistance went on, and in 1930, armed youth movement took place. And in these movements, Khudiram Basu, Pritilata Waddedar and Masterda Surya Sen become martyrs. That means they have lost their lives, and their sacrifice will be ever remarkable in the history of the independence of the India. And then the resistance was led by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and A.K. Fazlul Haq. And the resistance was petroled by the literary works of Rabindranath Tagore, Kazi Nazrul Islam, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Sharad Chandra Chattopadhyay and Begum Rokeya. And the resistance was so intense that the British government left India in 1947, and finally India became independent, and India and Pakistan were created as two separate states. So from this chapter you have to remember the dates and the name of those influential person and the leaders, which is helpful to write the answer from this topic. And that's all for today. Hope you have understood our today's lesson. Keep practicing at home and obey your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.